Yeah, we back with another video, man. You know what I'm saying? We back to like watch. How I say this thing? Yomo G Love is Paid. I don't know. Hopefully I said his name right. I don't. You know what I'm saying? We reacting to the new artist. You know what I'm saying? So let's gonna get into it, man. Like subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Just there too. You know what I'm saying? We mixing it up. We're doing the Jamaican shit as well. You know what I'm saying? So like subscribe, post every single thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into the music video. Um. Thing is, what man, you know what I'm saying? After old, I'm gonna say, like, hold on, restart, check, restart. Like, died up on some Chucky shit, dog. That's some Chucky shit going on up on there. Mm, mm,
Girl, you sexy. I mean, I watch a long time now, like, with a wife in a beers looking at me eye.
mm,
Is a ex-man make you just crash. Love is pain, boy, you have to one try.
mm.
Come put your body in his arms of mine. She know a darkness, me live a life of crime.
Sure, I
Come
got
put your
Depot.
body in his arms of mine.
Sure, I got,
She know a darkness, me live a life
oh, it's
of
like with the
crime.
man
But
about
anytime I
gallery,
cash forward, one time.
like, man might get creative and all that. One might get creative. Whole gallery, not like, but gallery and care about them still. Gallery not gonna
Give
straight
me a
them,
hard
dog.
time, show you love all night time. Bad like a bitch, head show me a tongue ring, girl. Suck off my cocky or something, girl. Have your body jaw bounce like drum skin, girl. Yeah, my pop
It's
killer,
like,
my
okay,
dancing,
Tom
girl.
Skin,
For my
yeah.
baby, pretty
Mm,
look a
mm,
brown
yeah,
skin,
Tom
girl.
Skin,
Don't
yeah.
fuck up, my put in a consent, girl. Wicked man, but me love you still, girl. Girl, yeah, see, I mean, I watch a long time now, like, with a wife in a beers looking at me eye. You say ex
Mm,
man make you just cry. Love is pain, boy, you have
mm,
one try.
mm,
Come put your body
mm.
on, make you just cry. Love is pain, boy, you have one.
Nah, that look like the way how she goes. Yeah, yo, she hit the
I
knees.
keep
She
seeing
was
this
like,
everywhere. Fan goes viral after paying
wait, no, she was
1,200 to
that. Hold
take
on.
this photo with Chris Brown. Here's the picture.
What is everyone paying 1,200? Is that what the price is to take a flick with him?
Probably around that. And that's before the
Yeah,
show. You also
why
pay for
this
your tickets
audio in
for
the
the
back?
show. Unless it's
Oh, that's the
included.
package.
Okay, maybe you
Is this the meet and greet?
Nah, me that real quick, chat. That's not good, chat. That's not good. But anyways, back to the video. You know what I'm saying? She like these. Like she the man. Like she like these. Like that shit look real as hell, boy. That shit looked real as hell. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, she is for
Live a life of crime. But anytime we cash forward, one time. Give me a hard time, show you love all night time. Feel it one fuck with the darkest man in I cabin. Me know the Hennessy I talk to your body. Me and your papi say I forgot my daddy. My princess could have
bro.
never
The
been
house
scabby.
is crazy,
You know you roll good, cock up your bumper. My baby say
bro.
food.
I'm in the middle of
Downstairs
like,
in the
bro,
family
bro.
room. The only
Nigga got like half a split, bro. Like, you know, that was them in that music video was just war from, bro. Them was there, like, can I make a beat or no? Because you know, I think like, you know what I'm saying? This style just have a thing just there chill, like, bro.
pack way for getting out of the moon. I mean, I watch a long time now, like, with a wife in a babes looking at me eye. You say ex man make you just cry. Love is pain, boy, you have to one try. Come put your body in his arms of mine. She know a darkness, me live a life of crime. But anytime I cash forward, one time, give me a hard time, show you love all night time.
Shit
Show
is
you
pretty
love
though.
all night time.
He kind of pretty though. You know what I'm saying?
Love is blind, boy, you have to one try.
You got night.
Yeah,
But
what?
when you realize how big the night for you, oh, mm, mm. It's a calm, like a music video, song, very calm love, like feel like him direct it thing very well. Like over Drakey, like them do a good job. Like you could tell the stories, like have a little story go on. Like them thing there, like a really good little music video there, man. Shout out to Humo, Humo, Humo G. Man, I say yeah, man, Humo G. Shout out to Humo G, man. Real himself, man. Badass.